So now in this video, first question, we have to evaluate limit x tends to minus pi upon 4 plus greatest integer of cot x. So now see, because it is here x tends to minus pi by 4 plus means right hand side. So x greater than minus pi by 4. X greater than minus pi by 4. So cot x less than cot bracket minus pi by 4. X greater than minus pi by 4, but cot x less than. Why? Because cot x is a decreasing function. Cot x is decreasing function. So this implies cot x less than minus cot pi by 4. Cot minus theta is minus cot theta. So cot x less than minus 1. Cot x less than minus 1. So here cot x less than minus 1. So this will be minus 2 less than cot x less than minus 1, and the greatest integer of cot x will be minus 2. So what will be the answer? Equals to minus 2 is the answer. Cot x less than minus 1. Now see here on the real line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So less than minus 1, here to here minus 2 से लेकर के minus 1 तक. तो greatest integer of cot x कितना हो जाएगा? minus 2. So answer will be minus 2. Now next question. Now I am taking limit x tends to minus pi by 4 plus greatest integer of cot x minus limit x tends to minus pi by 4 minus greatest integer of cot x. So as x tends to minus pi by 4 minus, so it is left hand limit because minus sign is here. Minus means slightly less than. So x less than minus pi by 4. Taking cot x, तो लेस की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? ग्रेटर देन कोट ब्रैकेट माइनस पाई बाई 4, बिकॉज कोट एक्स इज डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. तो कोट एक्स ग्रेटर देन माइनस कोट पाई बाई 4, और सो कोट एक्स ग्रेटर देन माइनस 1, तो माइनस 1 से लेकर के 0 तक. कोट एक्स greater than minus 1 less than 0. So this implies greatest integer of cot x will be minus 1. तो आंसर आ जाएगा इक्वल्स टू minus 1 आंसर. Now come to next question. This question is limit x tends to pi by 4 plus cos greatest integer of x. Limit x tends to pi by 4 cos greatest integer of x. So here it is given x tends to pi by 4 plus, so this implies x greater than pi upon 4. So x greater than pi upon 4, and you see pi upon 4, value of pi is 3.14 upon 4. So it is less than 1. Value of pi, that is pi की वैल्यू हमने यूज की 3.14, थोड़ा सा आइडिया, अपॉन 4 करेंगे तो 3.14 अपॉन 4 लेस देन 1 हो गया. So we can say x greater than 0 and less than 1. X is greater than pi by 4. मतलब x less than 1. So this implies greatest integer of x equals to 0. So answer equals to क्या आ गया? Cos 0, that is 1. Answer. Right? Now, next one. Limit x tends to pi by 4 minus greatest integer of sin x. Limit x tends to pi by 4 minus greatest integer of sin x. So here x tends to pi by 4 minus means less than pi by 4. X less than pi upon 4. So sin x less than sin pi by 4. So that is, so we can say sin x greater than 0 and less than 1 upon root 2, and greatest integer of sin x will be 0. So this equals to 0. Answer. Now, next one. This question I am taking limit x tends to 2 minus greatest integer of sin bracket x square minus 4 upon x plus 2. This sign is for greatest integer. Limit x tends to 2 minus sin greatest integer of sin x square minus 4 upon x plus 2. So this one is x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x plus 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Limit x tends to 2 minus sin bracket x minus 2. This one. So here x tends to 2 minus implies x less than 2. X less than 2 implies x minus 2 less than 0. X minus 2 less than 0. So we can say x minus 2 greater than x minus 2 less than 0 means x minus 2 greater than 1 or less than 0. So x minus 2 greater than minus 1 and less than 0, x minus 2. So here we can say sign of x minus 2 greatest integer, that will be minus 1. Minus 1. So this equals to minus 1. Answer. Otherwise, I am doing this question again. What we will do? Limit x tends to 2 minus sin x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2 minus sin x minus 2. So this we can write limit h tends to 0 plus greatest integer of sin 2 minus h minus 2 equals to limit h tends to 0 plus sin bracket minus h equals to limit h tends to 0 plus greatest integer of minus sin h. Now h greater than 0, so sin h is also greater than 0. H is greater than 0. Range of sin is -1 to 1. Positive angle is positive, means in first quadrant. Then sin h greater than 0 minus sin h less than 0. So less than 0, only minus greatest integer of minus sin h equals to -1. So this equals to -1. Answer equals to -1. Now next question. This one is limit x tends to 3 minus. Limit x tends to 3 minus. Now we have to find fractional part of 10 bracket x square minus 9 upon x plus 3. This sign is for fractional part. This one. So this also we can write limit x tends to 3 minus fractional part of 10 bracket x minus 3. 10 bracket x minus 3, and this we can write equals to limit h tends to 0 plus 10 bracket 3 minus h minus 3. Here 3 cancel. Limit h tends to 0 plus 10 bracket minus h. So this equals to limit h tends to 0 plus fractional part of minus 10h and fractional part. Now suppose, so this property is what? Fractional part of x equals to x minus greatest integer of x. So here fractional part of x equals to x minus greatest integer of x, and fractional part of minus x equals to 1 minus fractional part of x, greatest integer. 1 minus fractional part of minus x equals to 1 minus fractional part of x. So this we can write limit h tends to 0 plus 1 minus fractional part of 10h, and because 10 0 0, right, so fractional part will be 0, so equals to 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Answer.